back to the Turkish lesson. Now this one, we'll be talking about the object marker here. Okay, so basically the object marker, let's see, in the dialogue we had this sentence here. Türkçeyi çok güzel konuşmuyorum. Didn't we have that in the dialogue? Türkçeyi çok güzel konuşmuyorum. So this will be the object marker here. Essentially, the object marker is E. Okay, whatever the object is, that you have to put the E after it. Now, we already talked about this. Okay, so Turkçe itself is the language of Turkey, Turkish language. Okay, and we want to put an E after it. Now we would have two vowels, so that's why we have a Y there. Okay, so that's the Turkish is the object marker. We want to put an I there. So in order to avoid two clashes of vowels, we have to put a Y there. All right. Okay. Second example here. Domuz eti yemiyorum. I don't eat pork. Okay. Let me see here. Okay, so again, we put the E here at the end to mark this object. Okay, and then we have a Y here because what we have two vowels, two I's, so we put the Y there. Okay. And then what else do we have? Okay, we have her zaman dilleri öğreniyorum. So I study languages all the time. Her zaman dilleri öğreniyorum. Okay, so dilleri is diler is the object, and we have the E here. No need to put a Y because there's only a consonant. There's one consonant. All right. Kendime iyi bakacağım. Bakacağım. Pronounce it wrong. Bakacağım. So I will take care of myself. I will take care of myself, or I will look after myself. Okay. So did I do this right? Kendime iyi. I believe it should have been Kendime, because we're going to put an I here, because, yeah, put an I after Kendime, myself. Okay, so that's the object marker for that. Alright, and here, Türkçeyi öğrenmek gerçekten seviyorum. Okay, I really like to learn Turkish. Again, E, because Turkish is the object. So it's kind of similar to Japanese or Korean, how the object markers work. So we have two vowels here, so you want to put the Y there. Okay. So that's the object marker. Essentially, it's pretty easy. It's essentially an I, and if there will be two vowels, just put a Y there to separate them. Okay. So now down here, I wanted to include the future tense, ecek, and it works just like ebil. Ebil, the potential form, it works the same way. Okay. So if we go back up here, I had some here. Kendime iyi bakacağım. I will look after myself. So here, ecek. What happened? Bakmak means to look, or to look after, to look. Okay, bakmak. Now what happens? We drop off the mak, and we want to put ecek. But since we have an A here for vowel harmony, it turns to an So bakacağım. Okay, bakacağım. I will take care of myself. Now, this, you probably noticed the yumuşak. They call the G with the dash on top. It's called a yumuşak G. Okay, it's silent. It's silent, and you're probably wondering why it went from K to the yumuşak G. Now, the only time you will see that happen is when you have a vowel if there's a vowel, how did it go? If there's a vowel following that, like after that, if there will be a vowel following that or after it, it has to be a yumushak G. You have to put yumushak G there. Now, if it's a consonant, it would just be the K. Okay. So it has to be a vowel after that letter in order for this to turn this K to turn into a yumushak G. Okay. Let me see if I can find some examples here. I don't think I have any examples. Yeah, the next part I have some more future tense, and you're going to see how it will stay as the K, etchek, instead of adding the yumushak G. Okay. So this is the future tense. Kendime iyi bakacağım, and then you have bir gün Turkey'ye gideceğim. That's the same one there. So you have yeah, that change. It's still yumushak G here because you have an I. So that's that. So in the next video I will give you some more future tenses, some more examples of using the future tense, so you can see the difference with the K and the yumushak G. Okay. So I will make this next video